Hi guys, my name is Akash. Today we are going to learn for loop in a Python. For loop is nothing but that the loop execute the block of a code, the fixed numbers of a time. In a fixed numbers of a time, you can iterate through over the range, over the string, over any sequence. Sequence is nothing but the list, tuples, and you can say a dictionary that you can use. So in the last video we have learned a while loop, and today in this video we are going to learn for loop. If someone asks you what is the difference between the while loop and a for loop, please go through the last video. But the one sentence answer is, when you use the while loop, use while loop is basically used when you don't know how many times the loops need to run, and when you use the for loop, that the block of the code execute the fixed number of a time. You have know how many times you wants to iterate through the specific code. So let's learn for loop using example. Consider you have for x, we can say is a counter. In, we are going to iterate over the range function. We're going to range. So range first parameter, how from where range start from 1, you are going to iterate till the 10. So I'm taking the 11 as 11 as a second parameter, because but the second number is exclusive. We will take, so it will iterate to 1 to 10. So we are taking the exclusive numbers, that after one extra numbers that we are taking. And after that we are printing print x. See, now you can see you are getting the result 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 till 10. So if your range, if you want a result in the 10, you are taking the 11 number as a exclusive number. Okay, second thing, if you want to do a reverse countdown, if you want to do a reverse countdown, then you can use the reverse functions also over this block. I can say like the reversed function, that is the extra functions we can say. Let's see, let's this code. See, we are going into a reverse order: 10 9 8 7 6 5 4. That is the reverse functions we have using. So next thing, as we have discussed in this second list, we are iterate over range, string over a sequence. So we have iterate over the range. So now take as a string parameters, string variable, and you go, let's iterate through. Take a credit cards number, which is the string value we are providing. They consider 1 2 3, like the 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and in 1. So this is the, now we are going to string function, iterating through a string function. So I am printing the x value, let's say as a counter. X is nothing but the counter. You can use any parameters here. So we are taking the counter. Now run this code, credit card. So as I mentioned, we are going through a string function, like the 1 2 3 4 5 6, each character we can say. We are going through each character in the string function. This is the one thing we can go through. And second thing, we in a range, when we use the range, there is a one extra parameters we can provide, and that parameter is like, okay, okay, how many, like we are starting from one parameters and we are going till 10 parameters. And how you are going to iterate, like the after two you need a result iterations, like the we are take first we was taking the range from a 1 to 11, 1 2 3 4. Now in here, in the range functions, we are taking 1 to 10 the range, but we are supporting the index after two index, that values we are printing. So for example, let's run this program. Credit card number that we are not using. See, basically, first one range start from 1, after 2 iteration 2 3, that 3 numbers is after 3 4 5, 4 5 6 7 8 9. We are going to a second iteration, so we are printing into in our terminal.